The grill is the centerpiece of any outdoor kitchen, so choosing the right model is essential to creating a space that you'll love to cook in. EdgeStar gas grills are manufactured with high-quality materials and are loaded with features to handle whatever's on the menu. The body of the EdgeStar grill is constructed of 304 stainless steel. This durable material is designed to handle outdoor elements, so it protects against corrosion. The control knobs are backlit by LED illumination, so you can precisely adjust the temp, even at night. Now, let's take a look inside. Under the lid, bright halogen lights illuminate the entire cooking surface, so you can grill at any time of the day. Each cooking zone has its own temperature control on the outside and heat separators on the inside, so you can cook multiple dishes, like meats and veggies, simultaneously. This model has three 25,000 BTU burners with a 14,000 BTU rotisserie burner at the back of the grill. Along this side is the infrared burner, which reaches high temperatures that are ideal for searing meats. EdgeStar gas grills feature H-shaped burners. This unique shape creates a larger perimeter than the standard single-row burners, which means more room for flame ports, reducing cold spots and assuring more even grilling. Ceramic briquettes between the burners and the cooking grates distribute the heat evenly and are designed to reduce flare-ups. This motorized rotisserie is great for cooking a whole chicken or large cuts of pork and beef like al pastor or prime rib. EdgeStar offers a wide variety of grill accessories to complete your outdoor kitchen, including side burners, access doors, storage and trash drawers, carts, and covers. EdgeStar insulated grill jackets are required if you plan to install your grill into a combustible material. EdgeStar grills are available in 30, 36, and 42-inch widths with natural gas or liquid propane setups. Be sure to check out the entire line of EdgeStar grills and connect with one of our product experts to help you with your next project.